Tonight, high ISO sample images from the all-new Canon R7 that I just picked up a couple hours ago. BJ Photo here in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. Come on through, buy your stuff. Also buy all my film cameras. So many film cameras for sale there. Please buy them. F2. You know what? We'll do some hybrid photo video coverage of everything. And here we go. So I'm starting up at the top here and kind of panning down. Oh yeah, nice, right? And now rolling shutter check. Left, right. It's probably as fast as you'd ever actually pan. You know what? On the LCD, that looks pretty darn good, to be honest. I don't know, that exceeded expectations. That's 4K as well. We'll bring the shutter speed up a bit, so I have to actually bring the ISO up to... Let's begin at 1600. We're gonna get a photo of a train. Are you excited? You ever seen a train before? I ain't never seen no train before. We're about to see it together. And we're gonna do video. We're gonna go, we'll shoot it proper, 180 shutter rule. And we're in auto white balance, so it might flicker a little bit with all the red, but also we're at 29p, if you care about that. Here it goes. Wow, I'm underexposed. Beautiful, right? Great, let's move on. They made the lights just a little bit too high to fit nicely into any composition, but we're doing the best we can. All right, it really hasn't gotten any darker, but I think it's time to go up to 3200 ISO. What do you think? Place your bets now, because I already know, and I've already made the change. This one is at 3200 ISO. Really just some incredible photography going on tonight, and all of them available as NFTs. You can own this piece of history. Here we go, 6400 ISO. Beautiful. Oh wow, yeah. I'm also at f9, just a bit unusual for me. Usually I'm at 1.8. So we've switched the f-stop. All right, now that we've gotten to the studio, we're going to be going up one more, 12,800 ISO. Here it goes. Let's do a few. 12,800. Shout out Loop Clothing, Allnor. All right, here we go, going up to maximum ISO, which is 32,000 ISO for photo only. Already maxed out on video. All right, 32,000 frame looks a little smoky, so I'm gonna go back down to 25,000 and take a few photos there, and then we're gonna call it an evening. And this is a video clip at 12,800. And I guess ISO, I guess the aperture can come down. Now we're at aperture 5.6.
He goes, hey, let's go from here, and then he's like...
This is just walking. And there is stabilization both in the body and the lens, which work together nicely. But I'm not really trying to be a human steady cam too hard here. Maybe a little hard. Medium hard. All right, now for photo, we're gonna go back down to 8,000 ISO, which I feel like is a reasonable ISO to shoot at. I can't remember the last time that I've actually had to shoot at 12,800 ISO. So I'm gonna say 8,000 is the maximum that I would ever really find myself using in a real life environment, especially when shooting primes like a 1.8 prime. You can usually be shooting, even in a wedding reception, like 3200 ISO is usually as high as I will go, maybe 64, but 8,000, let's take some photos. 12,800 ISO still.
I guess we were.
The video. Now we're gonna go down to. Now we're gonna go down to 6400 video and open it up to. Let's see. F5.0. $6,400 ISO. Maybe a little overexposed. Maybe there. Wanted to get back to the office before I gave you my final verdict, and I am very, very pleased with these images. You can download them all. There's a link below. Also, until July 14th, it is my birthday, July 14th, and until July 14th, you can get into the members website for $30 a month rather than $40 a month. So if you're interested in getting all the premium content, which includes all my courses, book more weddings, a ton of downloads, all of my presets, so many things, head on over there and have a scroll through everything you get, because it really is a deal like no other on the internet. So hop over there, $30 first month, and it doesn't increase, and also 100% money back guarantee. So if you join up and you are just not, it wasn't what you were expecting, send me an email. My email is right here, and I will send you your money back, 100% money back guarantee. Come on over and get in before July 14th, and it'll never increase on you. Also, if you want it in for $20 a month, you can actually sign up for the annual, and it effectively monthly comes down to $20. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time, or I guess tomorrow. We're going every day for the next 14 days. See ya.